Hello and welcome to another interactive science workshop. Today we're going to be making this Crafty Catapult. Let's see it in action. It's shot quite a fair way. To do these catapults you will need some glue, either a hot glue gun which works quicker, some regular craft glue, some bottle caps, paddle pop sticks, 12 paddle pop sticks, 3 elastic bands, and some scrap paper. All right, let's get started. All right, so the first step is to get 10 of the paddle pop sticks and stack them up. And I'm going to put 2 coloured ones on the end. Okay, so once you've got your stack, you need to take a rubber band and we want to put it around there nice and tight. So loop it over a few times. Yep, like that. And then we put another rubber band on the other side. Yep, so we want it just like that. Right. Then we're going to take one of the other paddle pops and we're going to put it through the second last paddle pop, so it goes in between. So if we can slightly get those apart, we want to push it through there. We want it about 2/3 of the way, just like that. It goes underneath there. Right, and then we get our final paddle pop, our 12th one, and we're going to put it about like that. All right, and we have to wrap a rubber band around here. This part might be tricky. You might need a bit of extra, set of extra hands, someone to help you. You want this one nice and tight because it has to hold it in place. So like that, and we slide that up. So it needs to look like this. That's probably about, 2/3 on this side. All right. Excellent. Now we have to attach our holder, which is this is just a lid from a milk bottle, but you can use a cap from any plastic bottle. And I'm going to use hot glue because it works quicker, but if you use craft glue, you might have to wait a while for it to dry. So with the hot glue, we'll just put a nice big dollop on there. And push that down, a bit of pressure, and we'll just leave that for a minute and then we'll launch. All right, that's just taken a couple of minutes to dry. If you use craft glue, you might have to wait a couple of hours, but this is ready to go. So we just get a bit of scrap paper and we'll just make a little ball. And when you launch it, you have to hold the other side. So we'll put the paper in, you have to press down on that side and launch. Okay, so let's talk about how this works. So what's actually happening, when you pull back on the catapult like this, it's transferring that energy that you're pushing down to the catapult. And then when you release the catapult, the energy is transferred to the paper as kinetic energy. So, and that's why the paper goes flying. All right. Here's a few things you might like to do. You could build a couple of catapults, get a friend to build one and see who can shoot the furthest, or try to shoot at a target or into a bin or something like that. You may like to try different materials. You may shoot marshmallows or something else, but make sure to be careful and don't shoot hard objects because you could do some damage to someone or something. All right, have fun, bye. Okay, next time we're doing colour changing milk with Amy. The materials you will need are milk, a plate or shallow dish, 4 different types of colours of food colouring, detergent and some cotton tips. We'll see you then.